Okay, Holly, so the last test paper you sat for me, you got 52 in. So let's see if we can better 52. No, it's not 46 million, it's 4,600,000. No, what they're looking for here is for you to tell me that that 6 is in the hundreds column, so its value is 600. Okay, those are just the same factors as those, so that's fine, you've got the 4. And 6 books is good, well done. Okay, you've got it in descending order there. Okay, you've got the biggest, the smallest. That's actually what they wanted. That's ascending. So 5, 10, 7, 8, that's all correct. So 3 marks for that. Total for the page, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for the page. Good start. Right, you're not using a ruler. You are using a pencil, so that's something. But I'm going to take 1 mark off you because you need to be drawing it with a ruler. Frequency is correct, number of children is correct. It's counting data, not measuring data, so it needs to have a gap. So you are going to get 1 mark for your scale, 1 mark for your bars. You're going to lose a mark for the gaps, and I'm going to take a mark off you because you should be using a ruler. Good. 180s are straight lines. Okay, angle ADE means you went from A to D to E. It's that angle that you have to measure. Angle BCE, B to C to E, is that angle. Okay, and you need to know how to do that. Watch the video clip and you'll see me using a protractor with that. Total for the page, 5. That is obtuse, that is correct. That is correct. Good, 42. Oh, well done. Full marks for the page. 1825. So let's take a look. So outside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 12, 13. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That part of it is right. It's this bit that's wrong. Okay, the outside isn't 3 times 6, but the inside certainly is going 1 plus 2 plus 3. It depends whether you're counting these as outside or inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've got a nice strategy going there, but I don't think it's quite right. X is 6, X is 8, 9, 8, 23, very good. 5, 8 for the page. 4, 1, okay, so the method you're using, 10 times 54 is 540. 60. Right, well 6 times 540 is certainly not 328, because 1 times 540 is 540. 70 lots of 54. Okay, you got the mark because you're trying to multiply. The method that you're using is muddled and is getting you the wrong answer, but certainly you're trying to do a multiplication, which is correct. 48 divided by 8 is what you should be doing, but it's not 8, it's 6. Then you should be doing 3 lots of what you've got is 8, which would give you the right answer. So I'm going to give you 1 mark for that, but you're going to get it. Can't give you full marks because that should be 6. And that's wrong, because 7 8s are 56. It's your tables that are letting you down here, Holly. Okay, 7 8s are 56. You're doing the right thing. If 7 8s were 54, that would be the answer. 64 is the cube number. 3 isn't the cube number. 3 isn't even in the list. And that can't be prime because it's even. The only even prime number is 2. So I'm afraid I can't give you those. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then it should be times 5 times 5 is 25. So that should be 8 times 25. But your cube and your square is correct. 8.3 take away 5.67. Add a naught there. Check. You could check your answers by just adding them back up, and you can see that what you need to get if you add that and that together is 8.3. 7 and 7 are 14. So straight away you should know that you've gone wrong there. Total for the page: 1, 2, 3. That one's not right. That one is right. That one's right. Well done. We'll be doing these questions this week, so hopefully that'll become easier for you. And that's good. Well done. That's correct. Chances of him scoring 0. It is out of 16, but look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 chances of scoring 0. So that one on top is wrong. 12 out of 16 is correct. Only 1 game. That's correct too. Well done. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 for the page. Good. 62. Good. 75. 6 marks. Well done. Yeah, nice line. Try and get in the habit of marking on your graph where you're going from. So, and you use a ruler. I'm hurrying to show what I'm doing, but 60 is spot on. Good. Full marks for that. Excellent page. Full marks for the page. 11. That's a good explanation for that. 1,000, 1,000, 460 is wrong. 445 is wrong. It should be 460, but the other 3 are right. Watch my video clip for that, and hopefully that will make sense to you. 4 for the page. For a square, it's not just that, it's also that and that. For a parallelogram, that's not right, but that is right. So your trapezium is the correct column. No, we're not talking about angles, we're talking about lengths. And that is correct. Well done. Good stuff. 29D plus 3. The plus 3 is right. 8D take 12 plus 15 take 21D. That's right. But as far as the D's are concerned, you've got 8 and you're going down 21. you're not going to end up at 29 because that's a plus. So you're starting on your number line at +8 and then you're going down 21 places. You'll end up at -13, so that one's wrong. And with this one, 3e plus 18 is correct. So you've got 7e plus 12 equals 3e plus 18. It's an equation, not a simplify. It says solve. So I can't give you the marks for that. Total for the page, 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Holly, so let's see how you've got on. 15, 20, 28, 36, 39, 48, 59, 63, 69. Very good. That's one mark off a C. But in reality, that would probably be good enough most years for a grade C. So that's the paper 1. If I add in now what you got in that paper 2, you've got 49 in the paper 2. So your paper 2 isn't as good, which probably means overall you've got 118 out of 200, which would have been a grade D. So you would have got a grade D overall, but that's a much better performance. Well done.